Goethe Zertifikat Lesen Teil 1. Our Goethe A1 exam is divided into 4 modules: reading, writing, listening and speaking. The one tile is Lesen. Lesen itself has 3 parts. In Lesen Teil 1, there are going to be 2 emails. This is the first mail and this is the second email. According to this email, after reading this, you have to reply to these 2 statements. Are they correct oder falsch? Sind sie richtig oder falsch? A Beispiel will be also given in the first part, Teil 1 A part. This will be given. And after that, you have to reply in the second email 3 questions. The better you understand the questions and the text over here, this is going to be helpful for you. Vocabulary is very important in the Lesen part. Although we say that you should go through the text first and understand the email and then go to the questions, but as a trick, probably you guys can understand the statements first, underline them, that this is the thing I am looking for, and then go to the email. Supposedly, the erste Frage is, Michael trifft am Wochenende seine Geschwister. Am Wochenende is a keyword on the weekend, and Geschwister are siblings. Is he meeting his siblings on weekend? Then Michael will Zana in der nächsten Woche anrufen. Does he want to call up in the next week? Anrufen is to call up. So we have to reply to these 2 questions. The first one is, Hallo Zana, danke für deine Mail. Thank you for your mail. Leider können wir uns am Sonntag nicht treffen. Leider means unfortunately, we cannot meet each other on Sunday. Over here, sich treffen is a reflexive verb, so each other is mentioned as uns treffen. Und was ist der Grund dafür? What is the reason why he cannot meet her up is, ich fahre nach Frankfurt. I am traveling to Frankfurt. Meine Mutter hat Geburtstag. My mother has birthday. Da gibt es ein großes Familientreffen. Since my mother has a birthday, so there is a big family meetup, Familientreffen. Und meine Schwester kommt aus Amerika. My sister is coming from America. Und meine Brüder sind auch da. Bruder. It's with the umlaut U, so these are plural brothers are also there. Sind is also mentioned as a verb. Ich fahre am Montagmorgen zurück. Zurückfahren, return back. I am returning back on Monday morning. Vielleicht können wir in der nächsten Woche einmal zusammen essen. Vielleicht means probably. We can, in the upcoming weeks, together we go out and eat. Rufst du mich an? Anrufen is to call up. Here, rufst du mich an? It is mentioned as accusative verb over here. Choose, Michelle. Now, the question is he going to meet up his Geschwister? Is he going to meet his siblings on the weekend? It is mentioned we cannot meet each other on Sunday because my mother has birthday and I am meeting all these people from there. So, das heißt, eins ist richtig. Second one is, Michael will Zana in der nächsten Woche anrufen. Did he mention that he is going to call her up? He said, rufst du mich an? Are you going to call me up? So Zara should call up and not he. So this one is falsch. Next email. Liebe Angelika, wie gefällt es dir in Leipzig? How do you like in Leipzig? Gefällt is a dative verb. Hast du viele Freunde? Do you have many friends? Ich möchte dich im nächsten Monat besuchen. I want to, besuchen is to visit. I want to visit you in the upcoming month. Wie findest du das? How do you find it? Kann ich bei dir wohnen? Can I live with you? Can I stay with you? Ich bleibe nur 3 oder 4 Tage. Bleiben is to stay. I'm going to stay only for 3 or 4 days. Du gehst am Morgen in die Universität und ich besichtige die Museen. You will go in the morning to the university and I am going to visit. Besichtigen is a verb to visit and I am going to visit the museums. Ich war noch nie in Leipzig. I have never been to Leipzig. Am Abend kann ich etwas kochen oder wir holen uns eine Pizza. In the evening, I can cook something or we can pick up. Holen is to pick up eine Pizza. Wir können dann zusammen ins Theater und in die Diskothek gehen. We can then together in theater or in the disco, we can go together. Das ist ein wunderbares Programm, oder? Ja, you think it's a wonderful program? Bitte, antworte mir sofort. Sofort means immediately. Please reply me immediately. Liebe Grüße von Anke. So her friend is writing her. Anka möchte im Mai nach Leipzig fahren. Is it mentioned over here? Is she going to visit her in May? Yes, it is mentioned. We see the date over here. The date is 7. April. Und nächsten Monat means next month. Yes, she can visit her in Mai. Sie will in Leipzig studieren. Does she want to study over there? No, she is not going to study over here. She mentioned over here, you are going to visit the university, but I am going to visit the museums. So das ist falsch. Anke kennt die Stadt schon ein bisschen. Does she knows the city a little? Das ist auch falsch because she has mentioned, ich war noch nie in Leipzig. I have never been to Leipzig before. I hope you like it. Danke.